All right, guys, what is happening? We have taken a hell of a long hiatus from YouTube. I did make a little video from my cell phone, which turned out decent, but we're gonna get a couple cool builds in. So today we got a 2025 Ram 1500. We're gonna be doing a little build on it. It's a limited, so it's got the air suspension. So first thing you guys want to make sure to do is go to your Uconnect, and we're gonna go to vehicle, and we already got it kind of set up. So we're in the suspension mode, basically on the sides. We're gonna do service mode. And what this is going to do is it's going to activate the air suspension and disable it. So then that way we can put it on our 2-post lift, do the suspension that we need, and basically not mess up any of the air suspension on this vehicle, because we do not want to replace that. So now that we got that set up, now we're gonna get to jacking it and doing this install on this leveling kit. So we got the truck in jacking mode. All right, guys, so we got this truck in jack mode, and this is kind of what we got going on. So this is the Revel Performance Advanced Leveling Kit. So it's ready lift, upper control arms. I honestly think they manufacture these, but maybe they don't. And then these links, I think they're basic kit. You can literally just buy these links, and then that can adjust it. But since we're gonna go a little bit higher, we are going to add in a little bit more clearance with the upper control arm. So we got the upper ball joint out, the tie rod out, the sway bar end link out. These were kind of disconnected, and they have plenty of slot, kind of mixed slack and slop together. So anyways, they're all good. To get these struts out, you got to take the airline off, and it's actually kind of simple. You just take this fitting out. I think this is a 12 millimeter. Yep. Just unscrew it, and then once it starts leaking air, you kind of just let it leak out for a little bit. The system might, oh no, it's still pressurized. I was wondering if they maybe were, we already got that other side out. So let this come off. Pretty straightforward. So you can hear the air's coming out. There she goes. All right, guys, so we got the spacer installed. We've got these upper arms in. We're leaving our upper control arm bolts loose. That way when we set it on the ground, we can torque those on the alignment rack. We've gotten everything else installed and torqued. Now we're gonna torque the upper control arm ball joint nut to 65 foot-pounds. And then just since it's a cotter pin, we'll line it up and get the cotter pin to go through the castle nut. And this is the Revel Performance adjustable link. We had these pre-adjusted, so all we have to do, I mean, super simple. You just pop them on. Just like that. All right, now we're gonna install these in the back. Same thing as the front, super easy.
saying on that?
Well, no trimming. That means that's a happy time right there. So we just wrapped up this full Revel Performance Advanced kit. The install actually went really, really smoothly. No complaints, no problems. We did some fuel wheels and Toyo tires, AT3s. I forgot the exact style, but now we're just taking this truck on a test drive, make sure that it's good, and then we will release it to the customer. It's driving straight. It's pretty smooth, and yeah, I think he'll be really happy with it. And we have a lot of exciting projects, so you guys are definitely going to want to subscribe. We'll just leave it at it's a hydraulic suspension, so you guys are going to definitely want to stay tuned for that video. We're going to try to do as many parts as we can, because that project is going to be a couple weeks, maybe even longer. So smash that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys are in the Denver metro area or any other area, want to get your truck lifted or customized, you can give us a call or an email. The links will be in the description, or the information. And that's pretty much it.
I think that's it.
All right, guys. Peace.
Tell me, baby, what's the way? Oh, what's the way? Tell me, baby, what's the way? What's the way I got to do? What's he gotta do?